Good evening. Hello, my name is Janpha Thadphoothon. I'm an English teacher, and this evening I'm in my garden, and it's a lovely evening. This is the 8th of June, the 8th, 2020. I'm in Phuket district, and this is my garden. And by the way, my show is English in the garden. What I would like to, apart from my show English in the garden. So the idea is to talk about my garden, to go about, showing you my small, lovely garden. And I would use my far from perfect English language to actually share with you my thought and my opinion, actually, my experience based on my limited experience on English language and how to learn English more effectively, actually. And this evening, apart from showing you some of my the produce for my this is spinach, lovely. You can eat that. You can actually boil it, and it's good for your health. Uh, what I would like to share with you about gardening in as a philosophy, actually. Gardening is also not it's not just about planting trees, flowers, and using fertilizers and looking after them. And gardening is also about problem solving, because when you look after your garden, uh, very often you will have to solve uh, unexpected something, unforeseen challenges and problems, and you pretty much have to deal with those challenges, those problems on your own, using the materials, the resources that available to you is not perfect, but you have to kind of deal with um, problems, deal with challenges, and because you enjoy doing that, you enjoy gardening. So pretty much that is the case that you pretty much enjoy doing dealing with the problems and looking for solutions, looking for ways out. Actually, looking for way outs. So gardening as a philosophical level is also about problem solving, like any other activities engaged upon by human beings. And so if you want to have lovely flowers in your garden, you have to work hard giving them, look after the soil, the water, the air, the sunshine, the manure, the fertilizers, and also try to solve um, what we call problems in the garden. And this is a fact of life. I mean, this is the experience that I have learned over the past 10 years looking after this garden, actually. So, good evening to you. I'm Janpha Thadphoothon. I'm in my garden, and this is my show, English in the Garden. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more video.